Welcome. Today we're tackling a common issue that many Snapchat users face: filters not working. Whether you're trying to spice up your snaps or just want to have some fun, it can be frustrating when the filters don't cooperate. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some effective steps to get those filters back up and running. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Snapchat to function properly, whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your connection is weak or unstable, the filters may not load correctly. Next, make sure you update Snapchat. It's important to have the latest version of the app installed, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Head over to the Google Play Store or App Store to check for any available updates. If you're still having trouble, try clearing your Snapchat cache. Go to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and tap on Clear Cache. This can help resolve minor issues by removing temporary files that might be causing problems. Sometimes, all you need is a quick reset. Restart your device and see if that resolves the filter issue. A simple reboot can often fix app glitches. Next, it's a good idea to check for Snapchat outages. Visit a site like Down Detector to see if there are any reported problems with the app. If Snapchat is experiencing outages, it's likely the reason your filters aren't working. If none of these steps work, your last resort may be to reinstall Snapchat. Uninstall the app from your device, and then download it again from the Google Play Store or App Store. This fresh installation can help resolve any lingering issues. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Snapchat filters working again in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.